This is, oh boy, we got some weather coming. Good timing. This is the Unni indoor-outdoor thermometer hygrometer. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And my opinion is these things are awesome. When I got my first weather station, it was kind of a game changer for me. These things are so massively convenient to have. I've got a giant one that I keep upstairs, and this one is more of a desktop version. You can see that it is about 5 inches by 3 inches. Has a little stand on the back, little kickstand, where you can set it up on your desk. It has a light display on the top. When you press this, the light comes on for 10 seconds and resets itself. You're gonna need 3 AAA batteries for this and 2 AA batteries for the sensor itself. It's so easy to set up. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is you put batteries in here. This light starts flashing on here to let you know that it's working. Then you put your batteries in your weather station itself. And assuming that it's on the correct channel, which is channel 1, and we can see channel 1 on here, they just automatically connect. And if they don't, you've got a really easy to read set of instructions here that walks you through everything, well-written instructions. This says channel 1, 2, and 3 on here, so it looks like you can use up to 3 different sensors on here, which would be cool if you had like a greenhouse or you wanted to monitor the humidity in your basement, the temperature, something like that. Perfect for that. And you can see right here that it's monitoring the outdoor temperature, which is 79.5 degrees. It's got a 77% humidity rate, which is perfect. It's the middle of July and it's about to rain. There's an outdoor index on here, which I'll show you in a second. Right now it's monitoring the possibility of mold, which is low. And we have an indoor temperature. We have an indoor humidity temperature. So it's telling us the temperature indoors and the humidity indoors. On the back here, a couple different buttons. We have memory, channel. Like I said, if you had different sensors on here, 3 sensors, you could change the channel to channel 2, channel 3 if you wanted to monitor different areas. And we also have an index button. So this index, where it has the mold index, we can change that to the dew point index. And we can also change that to the heat index, which is a combination of the humidity and the temperature. The sensor itself has a little hook where you can hang it up, and there's actually a slot in here if you wanted to hang it up. I suggest not putting it in direct sunlight, maybe underneath in a porch or on a patio someplace where it's covered and not exposed to direct sunlight to give you a better reading on it. But these things are fantastic. Great for walking the dog. It's great for if you got a motorcycle and you want to know what the weather is that day before you go to work or whatever, if you work outside. Really convenient device to have to keep you updated on what's going on outside or inside.